easiest way to make sure the design you edit in Elementor show up correctly on the front end. So sometimes when you update an Elementor page or Elementor site, you notice a few changes on the front end. Like the old design is still showing, some style changes not applying, or even worse, a broken layout. Don't worry, your site is not broken. This happened because your site is loading the cached file, not the latest changes you just made. So let me show you how to fix this issue in under 60 seconds. Number 1, clear Elementor files and sync library. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now hover over Elementor and click on Tools. Here, click on Regenerate Files and Data and also Sync Library. This clears Elementor's internal cache and refreshes its files. This is safe to do, it won't delete your design. Sometimes this only might not work, so as a second step, clear cache from caching plugin. So if you're using a caching plugin like Lightspeed Cache, go to its setting or spot it on your WordPress dashboard and click on Purge All. This clears the saved website version so visitors see the latest designs. Number 3, hard refresh your browser. So just open your live page in Chrome, click anywhere on the page and hold Ctrl+Shift+R release. If you're using a Mac, press Command+Shift+R. This forces your browser to load the latest version of the page. And that's it. In most cases, this fixes Elementor display issue caused by caching. Now that's it for this video and I'll see you in the next.